Hello and welcome. In this lesson I'm going to show you 3 easy questions about geometry that you come across in Olympiads. So my question is given ABC is a straight line, so then find the value of x. X 20, x 19, x. So if it's a straight line, this must be 180 degrees. Add them up then. X plus 20 plus x plus 19 plus x equals to 180. Then from there, x, 2x and 3x. So 3x plus 20 plus 19, 39 equals to 180. So I go to linear equation, leave the unknown alone. This one goes to the other side as negative. That will give me 3x equals to 141, and this one will go to the other side as division, or you could say divide both sides by 3. If you say this one goes to the other side as division, it's going to be the same of this. So that will be x equals to 47. 141 divided by 3 is going to be 47. Let's have a look at this question. So according to full revolution, this is going to be 360. So if this one is 300, this part is going to be 60 then. And as you see, this line and this line is parallel to each other, and if this one is straight, this and this will be the same. So x is going to be 60 degrees then. And there are a few solution methods to solve this question. So you could solve like this too. You could extend this one to like that. So and this one like this. And this one you need to find it again 60. If this one is 60, this one is going to be 120. So you extend like this, and this one is 62, and this is 120. So from there, look, another solution, you could say this and this the same, again 60, or you could say that this and this 120 the same. So it is 180 for 180. 180 minus 120, this is going to be 60 again. And it's up to you to use whether this solution I showed you, or this, or this, or this, any method. You see what? A few methods, a few ways to solve this question. So another question is ABCD is a kite, value of x. So if this shape is a kite and this is x, this should be x too. They are the same. Now it is a quadrilateral. The sum of interior angle of quadrilateral is 360. So you add them up and then equalize to 360. It will give you x plus 70 plus x plus 40 equals 360. X will give you 2x plus 70 plus 40, which is going to be 110 equals to 360. And then leave the unknown. Again, linear equation. I got this one to the other side is going to be negative, which is going to be 2x equals to 250. So divide both sides by 2, or you can say that this one goes to the other side as division, because it is multiplication there. That will give you x equals to 125. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.